Hanging a new lamp can be tricky, but with this Koinman how-to video, we are going to explain to you step by step how it is done. Make sure you have the following tools and materials. First of all, we are going to shut the power off. You can find the lever in your fuse box. Switch the lever that shuts the power off from the right group. Remove other items that are going to be in the way. Screw the mount into your ceiling. Make sure that you screw it into a support beam, otherwise it will fall after a couple of days. Place a new terminal block or replace the old one. Connect the wires to the right place in the terminal block. Make sure that the wires are color coordinated, black to black and blue to blue. Don't let the lamp hang from the cables. Twist the lamp on the mounting part. Turn the power on. You now have a brand new lamp hanging from your ceiling. If you want to decorate your room even more, then watch our other how-to videos. At Koinman, we are always happy to help.